Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a little package that's just popped through the letterbox and I thought you'd like to have a look at it with me. So I have opened it to see what it was because it's come from Amazon, so so yeah, you don't want to be seeing some of the other things that I buy. So we have one item and we have two items, both special drill, both projects, diamond painting projects. So let's have a look at this one first. I have been using my Vipon coupons again. Yay! That's the app VIPON, and it was, to be honest, I think I would probably have bought these at the prices I got them for anyway. I think this one was around about £7 something, and I think this one was around about £8 something. I'll put the links down below. But I wanted them quickly. I didn't want to have to wait for them. I have already got one of these flags, and I did think, well, we're coming up to Queen's Jubilee. I can't be the only person in the house waving a flag. So I've got hubby one as well, so he's going to be waving a flag too. Whether he wants to or not. Or failing that, I'll just have one for each hand. Yay! These were, I say, both from shops on Amazon, and it does look the same. Oops, to get it out of the packet there, crinkle, crinkle. Yeah, it does look the same as the other one that I got. There is an unboxing of it somewhere down below, and you get a nice long stick with, oh no, it is the same. It's got a gold sphere on the top. Oh, there's a bit of not keen on that. There's quite a bit of glue around the top of that one. That's not as nicely finished off as the other one I got. That's very rough, and actually this one costs more money. But anyway, so let's just pop this in here. Let me have a look. Go on, in you get. See if it'll go through. In fact, I don't think this is quite the same material either. I think the other one was a bit more cloth-like. This is very... Oh, that doesn't want to go through. Let me use a toolkit. We've got a standard toolkit, a green boat, wax, pen, and is that 3 grip sealed bags? But there is only a couple of colours, so quite possibly that's all you need. If I can find the end on this. Oh, dear. Is it just me? I can never find the ends on these bags. See if we can get this started. It doesn't seem to want to go through. I mean, it needs to be quite snugly in there because you don't want it to fall out while you're waving your flag, but you need to be able to get the flipping thing in there as well. So let's see. Yeah, give it a wiggle, and in it goes. Yes, got it. Oof, but I say I'm not keen on this. Not very nicely finished off, this one, but it will do the job. Where's that come from? Bit of white. Yes, we have a Union flag, which is red, white and blue, and it's hopefully in the right way up. I would have to check because I don't know which way around it goes, but I know these stripes, although you always think it's the same each way, there's actually a larger white piece there, and then on this side it's at the bottom there and there, and I'm not sure if that's correct or not, but it's just a very quick project to do with just your 3 colours. So I won't take them out of here. You've just got your blue. I've got 2 bags of red and 2 bags of silver. So a nice, quick, easy project, but and I will be sealing this as well because I do think it will need to be sealed. Let's give it a quick measure. Okay, so it is the drill area is 21 centimetres, which is 8 1/4 inches. And the actual full flag size is 22.5 centimetres, which is 8 3/4 inches. Okay, and then this way it is, the full flag is 4.5 centimetres, which is 5 3/4 inches. and the drill area is just a little teeny tiny bit less, which is 4 centimetres, 5.5 inches, and your flagpole from the base there to the top of the sphere is 12 inches, which is 30 centimetres. So it's a nice little size. It's a good one for waving. And as I said for the last one, you know, they're not going to flop when you stand that up. If you put it, say, in a garden or a plant pot or something outside, it's going to stand and wave in the wind. It's not going to just, like a material one, you'll just end up with it not really doing anything. You know, it's a good, and they will last longer than your cardboard and your paper ones as well. You know, if it rains on the day and you want to be out waving a flag, then if this is sealed, then yeah, if it gets wet, you just wipe it down and it'll be fine. It is canvas after all. So yes, very nice. Say that was a definite yes, I must get that. Just pop that toolkit back together there, because we do need a flag to wave for the Queen's Jubilee. It's not far off. And then these, I just saw them and fell in love, and I've got to have those. And yeah, look at those. Oh dear. Right, let me get into them and have a look. Again, I can't find the end to get into the packet. Come on. Open up. Open up. Oh, there it is. Oh. It's got a trick plastic bag. Wasn't expecting it to be double folded. I'm easily confused. So, ooh, right, we have our toolkit, and we have your boat, your wax and your pen, and all your little keychains. Let's have a look at these. So we have your lobster claw clasp ones. Oops. Oh, that's very stiff. It's not wanting to move very well. That's better. So yeah, with your nice large ring on the end there to fasten it to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your lobster claws, and then your little chains that will go through and hook through there, and the sort of ball and socket one where you just literally, oops, pop your chain in there and pull, and it just links it through. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, 5. Oh, we've only got 5 of those, haven't we? Yeah, 6. So we've got a spare one of those. That's good then. We like spares, always good for the projects. Let's pop those back in there. And these are little gnomes. Look at these, look at these. And they're all bee gnomes. Oh, look at these. They're absolutely super. I love them. I just couldn't not have them. What can I say? Look at those. Oh, wow. Okay, so we've got this one with his little honey pot. He's been very brave having a honey pot with lots of bees around. And his little yellow hat there, his little nose. And yeah, look at his little feet at the bottom. And then your palish green colour. Oh, that's brilliant. And these are double-sided. So, and then you just pop your chain, I say, through the top. There is a little hole in the top there, so your chain will just go through. Oops, not easy to do this high up. Let me do it this way, look. Oops, it doesn't want to go through, so that will just go through there. I mean, if you didn't want to, you don't have to use your lobster claw clasps. You could just fasten it like that and have it as a keychain like that, or you can put your little lobster claw on and have it as an extra. So bag charm, key ring, decoration. But oh wow, I think that's lovely. I may, because as I say, I've gone bee themed in my bedroom, and I'm really into themes at the minute. Not usually, well, it's something I've just started doing as I've started getting more crafty, and I suppose doing more house decoration type things with cushions and ornaments and wreaths and all sorts of stuff. I've got quite into this theme in rooms, and if somebody else doesn't like it, they don't have to stay there. You might think you're going to get stung by a bee while you're staying in the bedroom. So that's gnome number 1. Yeah, that I may find somewhere to put them in my bedroom. This one, oh look, oh right, okay. So I wonder if, yeah, he's like got the honey stick, because that's like a honey drizzle stick, isn't it? You know, if you get a honey pot, you get like those funny little wooden sticks that you wind the honey around, and then you can drizzle it onto, say, pancakes or porridge. It's nice with porridge. And I've actually quite like honey on toast as well as a snack. So yeah, he's got the pot look. Maybe he's looking really, what have you done? Where's my stick gone? Where's all my honey gone? And this one's saying, haha, I've got all the honey. Because that's a pretty big stick to go in that little pot, isn't it? And this one has got a couple of little bees on his hat as well. This one hasn't got any bees, so I'm suspecting there's possibly no honey left in that pot. And this one, look, it's got plaits in his beard. Oh, that's fab. I love that. And a little flower on his hat. Oh, really sweet. Oh no, they're not bees. Excuse me, they're just the stems from the flowers. It's my eyesight. But having the honey stick, I think he's going to get bees coming after him. So this one, oh, he's dressed up as a bee. Look at that. Again, the eye roll double-sided, which is fab. He's got a great big sunflower there, and then he's got bee antennae there, and then he's got his bee wings on. Oh, that's fab. Oh dear, but he's really proud of himself. Look at my sunflower, and I'm dressed up as a bee. That's smashing. Love that one. And then we have this one, which again, oh, that one's got like, they've done the beard into like balls. We've got the large, the small, and the medium. They've put rings round. This one's got the honeycomb. So yeah, they're definitely living dangerously, these gnomes, aren't they? But yeah, that's quite funny. And it's got a pattern on his hat, that one as well. But look at that beard. So we've got plaits, and we've got, I presume, to be honest, all I can think of is a poodle when you see that, with the like balls of fluff on the legs and things. And then finally this one. Oh, that's a shame. So this is Be Happy, and we have got the bee there, and we've got a bow in his hair. But unfortunately, oh, he's got a bee on his nose as well. Is that a bee? Yeah, he has. He's got a bee on his nose. Oh dear. So the others have all got the honey, and he's got the one that's got the bee that's likely to get stung. But unfortunately, they've just reversed the image. So it says Ebe Wiper instead of Be Happy. Oh dear, so you're going to have to hang that one that way all the time. I wonder why they didn't notice. Or maybe they did and they just thought, well, nobody else will notice. But yeah, Ebe Wiper. Or unless you put it in a mirror, put it next to a mirror, and then it'll read the right way around again. Okay, so we've got 3 that are like the yellow and green, and then these are like the black and goldy colour. It's a bit like Hull City, that they have the black and amber stripes there. So yeah, they're a little bit sticky. The edges are a little bit sticky. Again, I do think with some of these that they are producing so many that they're possibly putting the plastic down quite quickly, or the glue quite quickly, so it's squidging out the sides. So yeah, it is something, just you will need to seal these after you've done them, otherwise you'll just end up, if you put them, say, with your keys in your handbag, you'll end up with a line of fluff all the way around the edge. Never a good look. Oh, but they're brilliant. Let's have a quick look at these drills. Oh dear. Little things. I'm easily entertained. Oh dear. Alright, so, what do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colours. Okay. So we have a standard black, which, yeah, we're going to have the black. We've got a nice gold, rich gold colour there, and oh, very bright, sparkly silver. And then a little bit dullish yellowy gold there, and lovely bright orange, nice, and a fresh greeny colour. and a little bit of brown, and then just for that flower on that hat, we have the little teardrops. They are sort of small in that nice shiny blue. Okay, so that's my little haul that I got. As I say, I was just late night shopping, and you know, it is a coupon pops up, and I think, yeah, I really like those. I'm gonna get those. So they just popped into my basket, and my finger just hovered over there by now, and it just went, oops, oh dear, I bought them. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me, my lovely little flag and my little bee gnomes. I think they're fab. I love those, absolutely love those. Okay, so we've had our union flag and our lovely little gnomes. Look at those. Give a gnome a home. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you want to see what I get up to next and see me get these completed, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.